how to access Instagram notes on your computer. If you're a fan of Instagram and you've been wondering how to use this feature on your PC or Mac, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Instagram app or web browser, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. Now, simply go to Messages. Here you can see the note, Instagram's note feature. Now, Instagram note feature is a feature that's primarily used on mobile devices, but you can still access it through your computer. Now, you can simply tap on notes and simply type in whatever you are thinking about and simply click on share. And that's it. Now you know how to access Instagram notes on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.